CNC stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Friday and onwards. So in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play, especially since it's already sitting in Centene corporation is melting, you know. And I'm not trying to be that pessimistic guy, but the truth and the reality, this is absolutely being cooked. And how does that look like? Well, it's just a bearish market. You know what I'm going to do, just mark down these previous lows. I have, okay, nah, not much. Yeah, man, like I would genuinely just stay away. I mean, after this crazy crash, what do you expect me to do? Like, fell down 40% in a day. Now, can this thing kind of bounce back up and we have like a strategic way where we just fills in the gap and we get like a 10x? That's not going to be a 10x. It's just going to be like a 50% increase in price. I mean, higher end 100%. But yeah, nothing much, honestly. Like, it's still a bearish market. If you want my exact picks, plays, 5-10k months, and a proper strategic approach and my exact formula, click the first link in the description. Risk free. 100 people have tried it.